Hey there, I hope you're doing well. Now, let's look at the topic for today's discussion. NIT Warangal online short-term course on machine learning for data science using Python. Now, let's look at the specs quickly. It is being organized by Department of Computer Science and Engineering of NIT Warangal in association with the Center for Continuing Education NIT Warangal. The program will commence on 14 December 2020 and will end on 23rd December 2020. Now let's look at the topics covered. The topics are Introduction, Python Essentials, Probability and Statistics for Data Science, Regression, Classification, Ensemble Approach, Optimization, Clustering, Feature Engineering, Dimensionality Reduction, Neural Networks, Recommendation Systems, and hands-on to the majority of topics using Python and take-home projects. The speakers will be faculties from different departments of NIT Warangal, and industry experts in R&D will deliver lectures and conduct hands-on sessions. Faculty members, postdoctoral fellows, research scholars, PG and UG students in all disciplines of engineering, sciences, mathematics, life sciences and management will be eligible to apply for this online short-term course on machine learning. The last date for this course is 30th November 2020. The last date to apply for this course is 30th November 2020. Now let's look at the fee structure. Faculty, postdoctoral fellows, research scholars, PG and UG students will have to pay a fee of 1000 rupees per head, and the industry participants will have to pay rupees 2000 per head. I'm highlighting the details for the payments to be made. As you can see, the account number, IFSC code and other things are given. Now let's look at some of the important points. Participants will be sent a confirmation of their participation through email by 4th December 2020. As the program is conducted online with hands-on sessions, so the number of participants in the workshop is limited to 100. Therefore, the candidates are advised to register early to avoid any hassle. This short-term course will be conducted 3 hours a day with no overlap to the regular office hours. The sessions will begin in the evening time, possibly by 5 p.m. The majority of topics will be covered with hands-on using Python. You can see there is a contact number given and an email ID venkat.kagita@gmail.com. Now let's see how can we apply for this course. As you can see here, there is a link given. Below that we can see that there is also a form given. Now let's look at what all details are required to fill the form. Online STC on machine learning for data science using Python. Let's look at the form. They have asked for your name, your gender, your institution's name and address, your designation, your highest qualification, your contact number, your email ID, a proof of payment, basically a screenshot of the payment which you have made, payment date, the reference number for the transaction made, the bank name through which the payment has been made, the amount paid, and lastly they have asked that did you mention the course code CSMLDS in the transaction remarks. And after that you can submit the form. And this is how you can apply for this short-term course in NIT Warangal on machine learning using Python. Thank you for listening.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about. Telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that. Telling me things about rap. Talking the truth and that stab in my back, they will knock me off track.